Hi everybody, it's Nadia here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then would love you to hit the subscribe button, but also don't be afraid to leave a comment below if you enjoy any of these products that I am about to show you, review, put on my face. You guys know quite a bit about me, would love to find out some tips and tricks off you guys. So if you've got anything that you want to know or want to say, would really appreciate it. So I decided that basically I went out shopping and I wanted to try some more Essence stuff. So there's a couple that I couldn't get, or one thing broke, which was the matte powder that just shattered into a million pieces. So I couldn't use that. There's certain things that I had to replace, but 90% of it is Essence. The thing about Essence is it's a really good drugstore product. And I found some beauties, I really did. Can't explain it, you have to watch the video to actually see what I'm talking about. I am blown away. I think the most expensive thing that I've got sat on this table is about £4. For me, I got Bargain Central, and here's me applying it. I haven't got a primer from this. All I've done is prepped and primed my skin, and I'm going to be using the Essence Stay All Day 16-hour wear. I'm hoping the shade matches. So I've got about 2.5 pumps on there, and as usual I'm just going to use my beauty blender and dot it. This is very peachy. It's not yellow, it's like a peach. It's slightly darker, you can't see it on camera, but it is just a little bit too dark for myself. So I'd probably wear this in summer next year because it's given me a gorgeous finish. It's really nice. I've got some pores coming through on my cheeks, but it's not made them stand out, if you get what I mean. They're there, but they're not literally in your face. There is what I'm trying to say. And I like this coverage. I did 2.5 pumps. It's not full coverage, my freckles are still there, but I like this, I really do. Essential Stay All Day 16-hour long lasting concealer. This actually goes with the foundation. Now I didn't have a lot of luck with the last concealer, and then I'm just taking the beauty blender and I'm just going to blend this in. That's beautiful, that really is nice. You know, when it just blends like a dream. This is what this is doing, and although it looks quite light on there, I've turned my contrast down. So, but in real life, yeah, in real life it's not as bright as what it looks on there. It looks really nice. I can still see my dark circles, so it's not full coverage, but if I put a colour corrector underneath, that might have helped. I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. under eye setting powder. I'm just gonna push this into my skin. Oh, that's nice. Then I'm going in with the Laura Mercier from my project pan for powder, because the powder's actually broke. It's like there's no in between with it. You either get some or you don't. So, and then you really have to buff. So now that's done, I've got Sun Club matte bronzing powder. This is new for me. This is in 02 Sunny. So this is what it looks like. Nice pattern in the pan. Kicks up a little bit. Yeah. And I'm just gonna warm up my cheeks. Oh, it smells of coconut, guys. Are they trying to rip off Physician Formula? If you don't like coconut scents, you're not gonna like this. So it's very light. It's taken me a long time to build colour. Definitely oxidised, you can see the line. So it's a subtle bronzer, but it's nice. I do like it. In real life it looks better than it does through the camera, but sometimes through the camera when I'm looking at it, it looks can look really harsh. And it's mosaic design, so this kicks up powder when you go in. So I do like this brush for thingy because I sort of stipple it and push it into my skin. So, and then swirl. This is a blush you have to build. It's you don't have to worry that the fact that you're gonna put too much on. Again, this is new and I'm happy with that. That just looks so nice. Is this Hollow Wow, and it's Eyes and Face palette. In this on my cheeks, and I think I'm gonna try the gold one first and see, because this one is the gold one. I had to tap it off. No, I didn't. So, oh, I couldn't see it. It's not gold, it's like a pinky colour. That's really nice. I'm going to mix in a bit of the silver. I'm in love with the highlighter. And it's not giving me that white cast as well. So, that's like pink. It looks champagne on here. Let's show you that way. Mind you, yeah, I suppose it is. Shift of pink in it. To emphasise my texture, guys, it does. There's not a lot of highlighters that don't actually. This is nice, and you can use it on your eyes as well. I'm going to go in with the Instant Matte Makeup Setting Spray from Essence. I really do like this. This is one that it's nearly gone. I've got a backup, so it's such a nice fine mist. And I'm just going to go in with the Beauty Blender on the side and just any droplets. For eye primer, I'm going to be using the Eye Art Colour Intense from Essence. I use this on a regular basis, so this isn't new, but I know I like it. I love this. I've used it, obviously I've used it before. So they did have some new palettes in there, and I looked at them and I was like, I don't like the look of any of them. They remind me of the MAC ones, and I'd already got this mermaid one at home that I knew about, so I was like, why spend more money on something that I like the look of? This one, this is nice, but the other ones were like the matte ones where they're just ridiculous. So these are the colours. So I'm going to go in with the pinks, I think, today. It's going to be a really, not basic look, but a basic look with a pizzazz, because you'll see the pizzazz in a minute. So I'm just building this up to the intensity that I require. So I'm then going to go in with this pink here and run that in the crease and a little bit below. Because I want some darker colours on my eyes, I'm going to, they're really nice, just not enough blendable colours. So I'm going to take, this is a Morphe palette that I made myself. I'm going to take this dark purple and just pack that on the outer part of my eye. See, sometimes this has to be done, so you know, the formula is nice on that other palette, it really is. So, and I'm just packing it on with this for starters. Brush, and I'm just blending them together. So, and I'm taking the dark purple out of this palette as well. I'm literally just tapping it in. I'm not going heavy-handed with it. And then with the blending brush with no extra product on, I'm just going to blend these out. These are amazing, and these are called the Essence Melted Chrome eyeshadows. So I've got 01, 02 and 06. I will swatch them all for you guys. Woo! So that's the 3 colours from 01, 02 and 06. And look at the pigment on my fingers still. Blew my mind, it really did. So I think I'm not going to use the dark one because I think that wouldn't look right. So, but it's a keeper. I really do like that. I'm going to go into the pink one first, which is this in 01. And I'm going to use my finger because this seems to be the best way for swatches. So let's see if it's the best way for packing it on. So I'm going to try a brush on the opposite side and see what, just in case it's they're so soft. Yes, you can use a brush. And then with my finger I'm going to go into the 02 and just lightly pack it in the middle of my eyes. So I got a little bit more shimmer. I really am blown away, really am. These are stunning, absolutely stunning colours. And then I'm going to go back into the Mermaid palette and just run a couple of the colours underneath my eyes. And take, there is a purple, light purple in here, there. So I'm going to take that and just put that on the outer part. Just going to take and try this gold in here to pack in the inner corner. But it's a nice palette, it really is. This is the Essence Eyebrow Design and it's a pencil, and I'm just gonna probably do one on camera and then go off and then go and do the other one. ooh, a little bit like the wrong colour for me. This is definitely more orange than it is blonde. I've got the Essence eye gel as well. Let's see. Definitely a better colour match than the eyebrow pencil, so I'm not impressed. So I'm going to go and do the other eye off camera, put some mascara, and I'll be back. So guys, I've put mascara on, but I've also used this Essence long lasting eye pencil in silver, just in my waterline, just to give it a little bit more colour. And then I'm going to be using the matte in 02, and this isn't new, but I'm trying to keep it in the Essence sort of family, most of the products. So, and I think this is a gorgeous colour. I know. I'm drawing you in so you can see the finished look. So out of the collection, I can honestly say to you guys, the things that I don't like are the eyebrow pencils. The pencil and the pomade, this is the wrong colour, and this is like, it's dried out. And there's no protective seal on this. So, for me, these are a no. But that's about it. There's nothing else that I don't like. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you've tried any Essence products and would like me to review anything, just let me know in the comments below. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.